Let me break it down for you like this. You are given 24 hours in one day. Let's be honest. You're going to sleep for about 6 to 8 of those hours. So that leaves you with about 16 to 18 hours left in your day.
When you want to succeed as bad as you want to breathe, then you'll be successful.
Don't miss what I'm telling you. Stop wasting time on your cell phone. I get it. You're going to say, well, I don't spend 7 hours straight on my cell phone. But watch this. You might check it up to 60 times per day. And each time you check it, you might only spend about 4 minutes on it at a time. Well, 60 times 4 is 240 minutes, which equals 4 hours. So before you even realize, you may have spent 4 hours on your cell phone throughout the day simply checking it.
The time you spend on your cell phone could be used for your success. The time you could be using to be successful, you're using it on the cell. And the cell phone is not bringing you nothing but a bill.
There is nothing that is more important than you achieving all of the things you want to do in life. And if you are being too distracted by your cell phone, then you've got a problem. And I'm not here to sugarcoat it. I'm not here to ask you nicely. I'm here to tell you, stop wasting time on your cell phone. So here's what I want you to do. Make a commitment to yourself right now. Challenge yourself today that the same amount of time you have been given to your cell phone will now be spent working on your dream, your goal, your aspiration.
The thing down. Look up. You're missing stuff. What is the long-term effect of too much information? We don't know, but we're finding out.
And the fact that you cannot put it away is because you are addicted. Right? If you wake up and you check your phone before you say good morning to your girlfriend, boyfriend, or spouse, you have an addiction. And like all addiction, in time it'll destroy relationships, it'll cost time, and it'll cost money, and it'll make your life worse.
So a lot of people, they give away their sovereignty and their power first thing in the morning. Like the first thing in the morning, they'll pick up their phone and they'll check everything, because there's the way it's set up, where they're getting their dopamine fixes, and it's really rewiring their brain. So it's training them just to be distracted all the time.
You have to give it everything you got. No more TV, no more parties, no more playing. If you don't have a 4.0, What you need to be doing is studying. Get off the phone.